Games are not played by the children, but games are played with their bodies. In most of the cases, it's being done by a known person. If we teach our children on how to say no, in 90% of the cases, it can be prevented.
Child has a comfort level with you. The child also will come forward and speak to you if there is a problem.
You know what? You also have power. Their first power is power over their body. So you can help them realize that their body belongs to them. And how much is it like? What are you going to do if somebody gave you a bad touch? There was this child who told me that, I'm going to call CID. एक और बच्चे ने बोला कि हम मोदी जी को बुला लेंगे.
So I think the workshop went off very well, and when I say went off well, I mean people could connect to the issues that were discussed. People could understand about how to identify child sexual abuse, what to do when some child reports about it, and most importantly, what is the most sensitive way in which we can approach the child and the issue. Those were issues that were discussed, and I thought we at Indigo, the participants, felt very motivated and felt connected to whatever was discussed. And I wish all of you the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.